name is Pragya. Today I am going to tell you about LibreOffice Writer, in which we are discuss about insert menu. At insert menu, mainly in this menu we are going to insert something like it may be insert any chart or any image or any audio video, but we insert when we are going at insert menu there are page break. Shortcut key of page break is control plus enter. And the second is mode break, means if you want to manually break from any row, then we enter shift plus enter. If we want to break into column, then control plus shift plus enter. If you want to remember this in shortcut, so we can remember through this. If we want to into column break, then control is included. If you want to break into the row, then column is not included. We can insert image by clicking on this. We can insert media, and when we are going at media, we can take a picture, anything from gallery. We can scan, or we can insert audio or video files. In chart, there are 10 type of chart: column chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart, XY chart, bubble chart, net chart, column and a line. And in this we also inserted 3D in chart. Object means at here we can make any formula. We can make a QR code also, or OLE object means we can insert something which are doing in any other software. Shape, we can insert a different type of shape like line, rectangle, arrow, circle, and in text from file. We can edit at any of the notepad from here. We can insert into this text box. If we enter any text box like a rectangle or circle, and we want to write into anything like in shape, like when we enter circle and we want to write in circle, so right click on a shape, and then one option is comes add a text box. By clicking on this, we can write anything. If we want to enter any comment, then we can enter. Shortcut command of this is control plus alt plus C. Font color keys in this, there is one shadow or something like in the right side, or something in the left side, or something in the back. They are known as font color. In MS Office they are known as word design, and in LibreOffice Writer name of this is font color. Hyperlink, the shortcut command of this is control plus K. We can go on to that place, and then we are going to another place. We can bookmark at anything like we read at this place, and we need to break for some times, then again we will read. So if we are bookmark at that place, so directly open from bookmark place. Special character, if you want to enter any special character like dollar, at the rate, hashtag, so by going into the special character we can add that. Formatting marks means if we have make a anything, and we want that if any format are happening in this page, so we can see what is formatting are done. By clicking on this, we can do horizontal lines. If you want to enter horizontal lines, then we can go from there. If you want to add any footnote or internote, like this is something special or something very important, then we are writing at the above or at the end of the page. So by clicking on this, we can write any footnote or endnote. Table of content and index. In this we insert that what is the index or content are available in this, and through this we can numbering of the page, and in the field In field there page number, page count, date, time, title, first hour, the subject, more